Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. First, let me show you how to access the app menu on this watch. So basically, let's press the side button to wake up the screen on our watch, and then we can press the side button again to open the app menu. And here we have it. This is the app menu. Basically, we have the list of icons and we can tap on them to open the app on our watch. Now, we can customize this menu a little. Basically, you can remove the icons from the list, add the icons to the list, and change the order of the icons on the list. To do it, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Realme Link application. And once the devices are paired together, we can open the Realme Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now we can tap on the Realme Watch 3 right here on the list of devices. And this should open the device page. Now on this page, find the option called Apps. Tap on it. And here we have the apps menu. And we have the list of installed and not installed. And if you want to remove the icon or app from the list of app menu, you can tap on the minus icon to remove it. And it's gonna appear on the not installed list. And if you want to add an icon to the list, simply find the icon on the not installed list you want to add, tap on it to add it. And the last thing you can do is to reorder them on the list. So for example, if you want to move the app somewhere, some different place on the list, you can press and hold on the sorting button next to it to grab it, and then you can drag it to the place you want it to be in and drop it to release it to drop it in the place. And once you're done customizing your menu, you can tap on done button to save the settings. And now when we open the app menu on our watch, we can see that the woman health is right here at the top, and the changes were applied basically. And that's how you customize app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.